Welcome to Universal Nissan. I'm very excited to present to you guys today our brand new 2023 Nissan Ariya. It's our new electric vehicle in our lineup. It comes equipped with a 178 kilowatt electric motor that provides 238 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque for fantastic performance and confident driving, whether you're out on the road with your friends and family or just headed to work. Now, that also gives you up to 304-mile range out of the Ariya, which is absolutely incredible. With that range, you have lithium-ion batteries that are liquid-cooled underneath the vehicle, providing better packaging and cargo space inside the car to also give you that range at the same time. Now, one thing that stands out the most in the Ariya that I like is our signature electrified V-motion shield right up front. Clear identifiable, lots of details in the finish here that you can see up close with LED daytime running lamps, LED headlights, and LED fog lights. You will also notice that we have some front parking sensors on the vehicle that come standard along with the rear parking sensors. Now, making our way around, speaking of the style of the vehicle and the aerodynamics, you're going to have your fender flares here that are two-tone, providing a very modern design, very cut and clean finish with 19-inch alloy wheels and aero covers that provide efficiency. Speaking of efficiency, you have a slope roof and a slope rear glass, providing you better aerodynamics, a cut and clean finish with no exposed rubbers that help with efficiency and range. Now let's go ahead and make our way over to the side here. You're going to notice the two charging ports right here, giving you 3 charging modes: trickle, standard, and quick. And from 20% to 80% on a quick charge, you can do it just under 45 minutes. Bunch of other features I'd like to go over. Let's go ahead and make our way inside. Now that we've made it to the interior of the new Nissan Ariya, right away you'll notice your smartphone-inspired monolith monitors with dual 12.3-inch displays on either side. On the left, you can have all your vehicle's information like your safety sensors, digital miles per hour, whatever you like on this side. On the right, you'll have your wireless CarPlay, your wireless Android Auto. You can have your navigation completely full on the screen. You can split it half and half to display different information. Or, my personal favorite, you can actually customize widgets completely up to you on different pages of the screen here. Now, it also comes equipped with 360 camera. So whenever you're backing up, you can see in front of you, you can see the side of you, who's behind you, or you can even hit the camera button without having to back up and see all around you. Speaking of seeing behind you, let's suppose you have all your friends and family in the vehicle, or you have a very large cargo full because you're on a road trip. We actually got you covered with this intelligent rear view mirror here on top that will actually display the back of your car unobstructed no matter what your cargo situation is. Making our way down, we're going to have some haptic buttons here that give you that uninterrupted feel without sacrificing the convenience of switches. So even though it looks like a flat panel, you'll still feel that switch feedback on your fingers. Power sliding center console, allowing the driver to have not just full customization of his mirrors and seating positions, but also the center console for better access to storage and whatever you need here in the center. Speaking of the center console, this will also give you wireless car charger. So whenever you're using your wireless CarPlay, you can also charge your phone, not have to worry about that battery. Now, let's talk about some safety features that the Nissan Ariya gives you. One thing I want to talk about is Nissan Connected Services. On every new Nissan, you can actually get the smart app downloaded to your phone, and any equipped Nissan that has the Connected Services features allows you to unlock your car, lock your car, turn it on. It's really hot down here in Florida, so I like to turn on the car before getting in there to allow it to cool off real quick. You're also going to get 10 airbags all around you, keeping you and your family safe, whether you're in a front collision, side collision, or the rear. Nissan's got you covered there. Now, speaking of safety, you're also on every Ariya going to get Nissan Safety Shield 360. So blind spot detection, rear cross traffic alert, rear parking sensors with pedestrian warning, front anti-collision sensor, lane departure warning, all come standard on every Ariya with Nissan Safety Shield 360. Now, stepping away from safety, one of my favorite things on the interior of a Nissan Ariya is this andon lighting here inspired by Japanese lanterns dating back to the day of the samurai. So these andon ambient lighting provides that soft illumination on your doors and front footwell of the vehicle. Now, Nissan Ariya also comes equipped with our new Nissan ProPilot Assist 2.0, allowing you to help you with your driving in the streets. The smart cruise control that we used to have now is even more sophisticated. And my personal favorite, Nissan Parking. It'll park the car for you. Look, ma, no hands. Making our way around, you also have available power liftgate on the Nissan Ariya. And check out this rear space. Talking about a lot of spacious room back here, you also have a 60-40 split on the seats that you can fold them down, and you have extra space located right under the floorboard here. Now, some Nissan accessories that you can also get with your brand new Nissan Ariya are a rear tow hitch, rear clear bumper protector, and all-weather floor mats with high wall liners to be able to customize your brand new Nissan Ariya. That concludes our walk around today of the 2023 Ariya. Thank you so much.